This tutorial deals with the item data available and the actions that the operator can take on the item in the IPC Document Solution. So normally when you receive a package, you scan the barcode. This is displayed here. And then you see the item. You see the details related to the item. So we have the item ID, the addressee name, the postcode, the city, Brussels, and the item request status. So the document has been already requested via email. We have the pre-arrival date, when it arrived into our system, the IPC Document Solution, and when the request was sent. If I left click here, I see more information related to the item. So I see the item ID, I see the receiving postal operator, bpost, sending operator, US. I see the insured value, 0, the currency, US dollars. I see the declared item value, 55, and the currency, US dollars. In this section, I see information related to the addressee, the sender, the goods, and the associated documents. For the addressee, I see the name, I see the premises, I see the postal code. And down here I have two elements for the phone. So I have one that was received in the messages into our system, and one that the postal operator can manually enter themselves if they want to correct this data. And that's similar to the email, one that's fed from the information into our system, and one where the postal operator can enter any updated email address they've received. The ones entered by the postal operator take preference. So if I want to edit this information, I go in and I select the edit button, and then here what I have is that I can enter the data here for the phone number, and then I can enter the email here, and then I can save this, and I can request any documents based on the phone number and the email. I can also request the documentation from here, where I have all of these options, where I have edit information, I have the request documentation. If there's no email or SMS available, then you can print a letter out, and then you can confirm that the letter has been sent. If the buyer sends us information such as an invoice or a proof of payment or a form, we can upload those in our system and store them with the item ID. We also have the option to approve and disapprove any received documentation. We also have our view option here, and in our view option here we can see all documents, so everything that's available. We can see newly received documents to process, we can see disapproved documents, we can see open documents request, and then we can do this on letter, SMS and email. We can see which ones have no documentations available, and you can see the document request status here. We can also see approved documents, so we can see which ones have been approved, and then documents should be down here, but because this was a gift and it was bought on eBay, they don't have one at the moment. So maybe I go in here and see if there's one. Nope. Yeah, then you can see click here to view document, and you click the document, and then we can see ones that have been sent back to the sender after X number of days because no documentation has been received. So that completes the tutorial for the overview of the data and the actions we can take on items.